How to build long-lasting motivation. There are countless tricks you can use to increase your motivation and discipline in the short term. These strategies work like a shot in the arm to jolt you awake and help you to stop procrastinating. But while these things might be useful hacks in the moment, they don't build lasting motivation and drive. There is only one thing that does: passion. Think about someone like Arnold Schwarzenegger. He's one of the most motivated and disciplined people in the world. He used this discipline to travel to America, become the most successful bodybuilder in the world, to become the highest paid actor in the world, to build a multi-million-dollar business single-handedly, to learn English, to invest in properties, and to ultimately become governor of one of the biggest economies in the world. How? If you were to ask him, he would tell you that it all came down to having a clear vision and goal, to knowing exactly what he wanted to achieve in life. He said that every painful rep in the gym was worth it because it took him one step closer to winning Mr. Olympia. What do you feel that passionately about? Too many of us, on the other hand, will work toward goals when our hearts aren't really in them. How many people are writing books they have no interest in, or are creating businesses that they aren't passionate about? How many are working jobs they hate? How many are getting into shape because they were told to by their doctors? When you do the things you think you're meant to do, then you struggle to summon real motivation and discipline. Conversely, when you work towards something you love, when there's something so exciting that it causes you to leap out of bed in the morning, then you will do anything it takes to complete those goals. You need a life purpose and a vision. The problem is that many people don't have that, and so they end up floundering in a directionless manner. It would be easy for me to tell you right now to just get a vision, but it's really not that simple. If you really want to find a passion, then my advice is to pick any project that interests you to start with. This might not be your life's purpose, but find a goal you're interested in and work on it. This will help to give you similar focus and structure, and it will help you to further explore what really does make you come alive. Everyone should be building something.